Hello everyone. Yeah, welcome to our other channel. This is me, Kat Mimi, and of course, as I promised, that starting Monday I'll be active reacting to more videos here on our other channel. So let me go to our channel here and to the community. Yes, let's check. Ah, wow. Okay, thank you very much for this one. On Friday, I will go live streaming and see you guys. Promise I'll go. And yeah, Unspoken Thoughts, that's already done. And thank you very much to all of you who've watched my reaction. I guess that was yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Thank you very much. And today, we are going to have Torn. Yan. Yan yung ating i-react today. And let's see for Tuesday. Yes. So actually guys, I just finished my work right now and ano ba? Ano ba tayo nag-English? Oh, mga kababayan, katatapos ko lang mag-work today and ayun, go straight na ako sa pag-react kasi that's what I promised to all of you. Ayan. Before that guys, please do subscribe on this channel, our channel. And don't forget to hit this bell button in here so that you'll be updated every time I have new videos. And para sa Friday, ma-notify kayo na naka-live ako. Kung di nyo to na-ring yung bell na to, hindi nyo makikita na naka-live ako, guys. So, ayan, let's go na sa Torn by Natalie. Ayan, go straight na tayo agad. And of course, credit din kay Franz Ritem sa owner nitong ating video today. Yan. Tapusin lang natin yung commercial niya. Ano ba yan? To support, of course, Franz Freedom din. Ayan. Medyo puyat tayo, guys. Sorry. Ayan, let's do it. Almost there. Oh. Okay. On the spot talaga to, guys. And upload ko rin siya right away. Para mabilis lang tayo. Okay, let's go ahead. Torn, Father and Kids, Bonding full band version. So, credit to the owner. And let's go and start it. Ba't natapos na siya dito? Ano ba? Okay. Eh? Ay, ano ba yun yung commercial pala yun? So, sorry. Ayan. Play. Ano yun? Nauulit yung commercial. Let's see. Wait na lang natin. Hindi kasi ako mag-edit guys. Go na tayo. Parang kung may commercial, let's support Franz Ritam. Hindi talaga ako nag-skip din para support natin siya. So, wait natin, no? Yung ating, yung may skip dito para makapag-start na tayo. Ang dami ko na namang sinasabi. Yan. Hindi talaga siya natatapos. So, I don't know what's wrong with this, but let's go and check again yung video niyan. Ayan, ulitin na lang natin. Ayun, ito naman.
New Centrum Kids Multivitamin Gummies.
May commercial siya ulit. So, sorry guys kung di ko na-mention yung lahat kayo na nagko-comment. Medyo busy lang talaga minsan, pero if I have time naman, i-message ko kayo. So, ayan na. Ito na, let's go na. Okay, let's listen to Woods, nilang lahat, titong tatlo, ni Chen, ni Papa Franz. Ang ganda nung humming part nila. Yung supporting humming part para sa vocalist natin for tonight. Ayan. To those of you pala, no guys, sorry ha, may nag-comment kasi last time, no? Mostly kasi sa reaction videos natin, hindi lang din about sa kina Franz Riram, of course, yung ating comments. It is also mixed with the song. So, ganun po yung reaction video. May nag-comment kasi na, ano daw ba yung nire-react ko? Yung ba daw kind of song, something like that, or yung banda? Of course, I love Franz Rhythm, no? Uh, it is just happen na sometimes nakakapag-add tayo ng comments din about the song. But anyway, in here, perfect na perfect yung pagkakanta nila, lalong-lalo na yung ating vocalist. Wow, ang galing niya. Wait lang guys, naubo ako. Ayan. Anyway guys, ano ba nangyari sa akin? Bigla akong naubo. Alam niyo yung feeling na may makate sa throat nyo. Tapos hindi nyo mapigilan. I don't know kung naririnig nyo pero hindi na ako magkakat dito guys. I mean, kung ano yung nakikita nyo ngayon dito, hindi ko na i-filter yan. Umubo ako kasi makati yung throat ko, bigla-bigla lang. Ganun talaga ako minsan. Well, anyway, let's continue. Na-interrupt ko pa yung perfect.
There's just so many things that I can touch and turn. I'm allowed to fail. This is how I feel. I'm falling, I am chained, lying naked on the floor. But the shit never changed into something real. I'm wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is done. You're a little late. I'm already done.
Ayun nga, nangati yung ating truth, ganun. Kasi yung ano ko po work ko guys, everyday nagtuturo po tayo, teacher po tayo, so we talk too much. Kaya ngayon, kumati lang talaga yung throat ko. Sorry. Well, anyway, going back to the performance of them, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng boses ni Char. Ayan, sa mga nag-comment pala, no, pwede ba tayong sumaglit sa mga video, most especially this one? Dito sa kaka-upload ko lang. Oh no, it's not yesterday. It was 2 days ago. Sorry guys. Ayan, ang dami nag-comment oh. This is her original composition. What? Oh my God, hindi ko alam na kanya talaga yun guys. Ang galing-galing niya. Kasi napapakanta ako, feeling ko. Yung familiar ako sa kanta niya, but then it's not. Parang ang galing, sobra. Shout out pala sa inyong lahat. ah sa inyong lahat na nandito ngayon. Thank you very much sa inyong mga comment. Ayan. Gusto ko pang mag-react ng kanyang original songs. So, guys, itong channel na to is for Filipino starting na ngayon. Sa sobrang dami ko ng naririnig na comments sa inyo. And although sometimes magre-react pa rin tayo ng ibang artist ng Philippines din or abroad, sana support nyo din. And kung may gusto kayong i-react ko pa na Pinoy or something like that, you can comment guys and I will surely do it for all of you.
There's nothing where I used to lie. My inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right or done. I'm allowed to play. This is how I feel. I'm calling, I am chained, lying naked on the floor. The shit never changed into something real. Wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is done. I'm allowed to play.
Alam nyo guys, yung boses ni Char, bagay na bagay sa mga, for example, yung ganitong kanta, yung Breathless, yung Avril or Abril, sabi nila, yun yung mga tipo ng boses or singers na, or mga songs, let's say, songs ni Avril, songs ni, songs ng Breathless ba tawag? Ano no, song yung Breathless, diba? Sino bang kumanta ng Breathless? Wait lang. Basta sabi ko, basta yung kumanta, wait, malapit na nasa tang ko na. Uh, yon, the chorus pala. Yung mga ganong klaseng tipo ng boss ng kanta, type ng ano, type ng song yung bagay na bagay sa kanya. Sorry guys, ayun, naubo kasi ako kanina, no. Tapos ayun, sumasakit yung throat natin. So let's
This is how I feel. I'm calling, I am chained, bound and broken on the floor. You're a little late. I'm
lang. Galing oh. Tingnan mo si Master Chen dito. May pabaso siya oh. Ulitin nga natin yun. Ulitin natin yung pagkakuha niya dun sa baso. Baso sa
So,
Master Chen. Astig. Hala, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng, alam mo yun, electric guitarist na gumamit ng glass of water. Yung ganito, para mag-produce ng sound. Ang astig, unique no. Siya lang yung nakagawa niyan. Yung ganito,
thank you so much for watching.
tapos na yon. Gusto ko pa eh.
Thank you.
Tapos na.
Only here in France Rhythm Channel.
Love it. Pwede siya maging DJ, no? Ganda ng boses. Yan sila. Si Char Chen Dutz France, the father. Si yung mother nila na Lenny ba? Something like that. Lenny yata. Guys, comment nyo naman kung nalimutan ko lang. Pero kilala ko naman yung first nila. But yung mother, Lenny. Lenny yata yung pangalan. Ayan. Punta tayo, no? Dito ba tayo pupunta? Ayan. So, bago ako mag-end ng aking reaction video today, kasi i-upload ko na siya right away. Ngayon ay 9:12 na ng gabi dito sa Philippines. And ano ba yan? Iaabot ko pa to. Ihahabol ko pa to. Ano ba iaabot? Ihahabol ko pa siya, guys. So, support natin lagi ang paborito nating banda. Sorry guys, medyo masakit pa yung throat ko. Ayan, France Rhythm Family, and of course guys, yung aming channel, don't forget. Pasingit lang, no? Ayan, sobrang thank you guys sa mga nanonood. Tingnan nyo naman yung views natin, guys. Thank you very much. Ayan, pinapanood nyo yung reaction ko. Na-appreciate ko lahat yon. So, ang susunod natin is, let me see. Tapos na natin ang unspoken. And itong Jar of Hearts ata yung susunod. Let me see. Yes. Jar of Hearts. Tapos na yung War is Over. Kawangis 31. No, no, no. Kawangis ang susunod. Ayan. So, sobrang haba na ng video na to. Ewan ko pa kung papanoorin nyo pa, guys. But anyway, good evening to all of you, and patuloy po ako magre-react. Bukas magre-react ulit ako. Keep on requesting. Don't forget to share my videos. Support natin ang lahat ng rene-react ko dito, guys. And pwede rin tayo mag-react ng mga teleserye, guys, if you like. Mag-post ako sa community kung gusto nyo, okay? Thank you very much for watching. God bless you all. We love you. Um, may mga bashers man tayo, pero gagawin natin silang supporters kasi guys, life is too short. Huwag tayong maging bad. Let's always spread, goodness sa ibang mga tao. Mahalin natin sila para sila din mahalin tayo pabalik. So, that's it for today, guys. Bye!